Percy, sure glad you're alive.
Ow! Where am I? What is this place?
The infirmary. You've been unconscious for 3 days.
3 days?
So, Percy, what do you remember?
Some crazy dream. I don't know, there was a monster. My mom was there. Well, you were there too, but you were some weird hybrid man ghost thing. Whoa!
Yeah. The politically correct term is theater.
No, 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 no. All of it was real. My mom's gone.
I'm sorry, Percy. I tried, man, I really do. Frankly, I'm just a junior protector. I don't have my horns yet. It's my fault. It was my job to protect you. Both of you.
So, this is Camp Half-Blood.
Meaning what?
I think you know. Half meaning half mortal, half god. Whoa! Guys, watch the arrows. Newcomer, hello. Gosh, look, man. Remember all the myths about great gods and goddesses? Well, they're not myths. Remember what Mr. Bruner said? Sometimes they come down to Earth and they fall in love with mortals, and then they have kids?
No.
Yes way. Yep, you're a demigod. 2 points for Percy Jackson. Look, don't worry, but you're not alone. There's hundreds in the world. Some lead normal lives, and some I'm not allowed to divulge their names are very famous. I'm talking about like White House famous. See, man, this place right here is the place where you learn to harness your powers. You're trained to become leaders, warriors, and heroes.
I think you have the wrong guy, all right? I'm not a hero. I'm a loser. I have dyslexia, ADHD.
And those are your greatest gifts. And you try to read the words float off the page, right? That's because your brain's hardwired for ancient Greek, not English.
Like, at the museum, I can read.
Yeah. And your ADHD? You're impulsive, Percy. You can't be still. Those are your natural battle reflexes, man. They kept you alive in your fight. Look, no pitiful loser can defeat a Minotaur. Your blood is special. It's the blood of a god.
This is a lot to process.
Yeah, a lot. This is where you do most of your battle training.
What's her name? She would squash you like a bug.
Her name.
Annabeth, daughter of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. Hey, no staring. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Come on.
Uh-huh.
There's someone I want you to see. Check this out.
Oh, wow. What are those things?
The centaurs.
Wait a minute. Is that Mr. Bruner?
Come on.
Whoa! Whoa! Mr. Bruner?
In my world, I'm known as Chiron. You recovered?
Am I recovered? You're not in a wheelchair. You have...
A real horse's ass. I apologize for hiding my true form, but I needed to keep an eye on you. I hope you'll forgive me. Come.
daughters of Aphrodite. Okay, all right, guys, you guys got a lot of catching up to do. Your mother's the goddess of love, so you know where that leads. Hey, baby!
Sailors.
What is this place?
Welcome home. Your father built this for you.
Wow. This whole place is mine? Seems he has some weight to it.
My father's Poseidon.
God of the seas.
Why didn't anybody tell me?
It was for your own safety. It's exceedingly rare for a child to be born to one of the big three. Very powerful. A threat.
A threat? Who am I threatening?
Poseidon's brothers. Zeus and Hades. That's why your mother married your stepfather. His pungent odor masked the smell of your blood and hid you from anything or anyone the gods would send to kill you.
My mother put up with that creep to protect me? I wish I'd known. She sacrificed so much for me. Now she's gone.
Why am I even here?
You're here because you're in jeopardy. Everyone thinks you're the lightning thief.
Look, I didn't steal it.
Zeus's bolt is the most powerful weapon ever created. And if it's not returned by the summer solstice in 10 days, there will be a war.
This is your problem, all right? Not mine. This is about your world, not mine.
This is about all worlds. Olympians would be forced to choose sides. Earth would become a battleground. Mountains erupted, earthquakes, raging fires. The end of life as you know it.
What can we do?
I want to take you to Olympus. Convince Zeus of your innocence. Someone's using you to start a war.
What are we doing here? Let's go now.
Your boldness is commendable, but outside those gates, you would be in danger at all times. The Fury and the Minotaur were only the beginning. First, you must train.
This is always a fun game to watch.
Ow! God, how do you guys wear this stuff? It weighs more than me.
Look, trust me, where do you get killed?
Wait, what? What? Wait,
Heroes! Warriors! Fallen! Hustle, hustle! Dylan, Paris, stop lollygagging. Percy, step forward. This is Percy Jackson. And he's gonna need a team. We'll take him.
I'm Luke, son of Hermes and camp leader. Not necessarily in that order. Where's your helmet?
No one gave me one.
Kyron, you still got your wheelchair? Kid's gonna need it. You're a goner, man. I'm messing with you. Smart.